Whoa. Oh man, this is getting interesting. So there's smoke, but the smoke is coming from the cashew now.
Yes,
it's not the wood.
No.
Ah!
Right?
Woo! Hey guys, well, let's see here again from My-Island-Jamaica.com. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am back at the Potter. Remember Miss Isaiah and her husband? Well, I'm at their place. You notice the kill behind me. But I'm not here for pottery today. I'm here for cashew. She promised to do a cashew farm tour with me. And so I'm back here and I'm gonna share that with you right now. First though, a special shout out to Sonia Henry. She's one of my ardent subscribers. She has been poking me from forever to do a cashew video. So salute, shout out to Sonia Henry. This one is for you, my friend. And I have another special surprise for you. I have Tania from Chat Jamaica. She's back and she's back in business. Here she is. Hey
Hi
Tania.
guys. How are you?
How you do, Tania?
Yes.
Alright, well Tania is here with me. We're collabing again. And man, it was just a joy. Always a joy to have Tania with me. We did a video. The first video we did was the rabbit one. Check the description for that, right? But today we're gonna do the cashew farm tour. Tania and I, you're gonna enjoy it. If you've not subscribed to our channel though, make sure to please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Tap the bell notification. We do a lot of videos.
Head over to my channel, Chat Jamaican with Tania, and there are a lot of interesting videos over there for you to be a part of.
Absolutely, absolutely. And you know me, and we do a lot of videos. I do a lot of videos talking about the real Jamaica. So again, if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Tap the bell notification. That way, you're updated on my latest videos. Let's go! So guys, this is Miss Isaiah. Hello, Miss Isaiah. Come, Miss Isaiah, man. Miss Isaiah, you remember her from the Potters video, the pottery video. We agreed, if you remember, she was gonna show me, she's gonna take me to cashew farm, right?
Yes.
The cashew, we're gonna learn about cashew today, all right? And those are the cashew trees. This is one right here, a little bit closer. She's gonna tell me about cashew, sharing all her knowledge and experience of cashew here in Brompton, St. Elizabeth, Jamaica. All right. So right now,
That's the young cashew.
this is a young cashew. So this is the cashew tree, guys. Let me zoom out a little bit. You can see it. It's blowing. The wind is heavy. All right. So this is all right. So this is a blossom here. All right, and now those are cashew. You're seeing there. This is another younger one, young one here, and this is this is a fruit. All right, so they're gonna pick. Which one they're gonna pick and tell us about it now, Miss Isaiah?
Let me see.
What about that one? Isn't that one ready? That big one up there? All right.
Maybe this can use because the seed is dry.
All right.
Can use.
All right. So
this is the cashew fruit.
this is the cashew fruit. So hold it right there, so. All right.
The fruit.
That's the fruit.
Yes.
And this is the cashew.
This is the cashew nuts.
All right. And this is you would say this is a ready cashew,
Right.
ready to eat,
Yeah,
meaning the fruit
can
is.
be eaten now,
Uh-huh.
and the seed roasted after.
All right. So which takes us to the next point. And I don't know if Tania have any questions for you, but tell me, how do you eat the cashew? We are familiar with this
Right.
and the nut in this, but this is what you are familiar with. How do you use it?
This
How do you-
can just ring out like this, and you eat it.
Oh, so you're-
Otherwise, we squeeze it
Uh-huh.
and use milk and dragon. Some people use wine
Uh-huh.
and make cashew juice.
Ah,
Yeah.
you mean like you blend it out?
Yes, and otherwise this can do cashew jam too. You slice it up like this
Uh-huh.
and boil it
Uh-huh.
with sugar. You get a nice jam, can go on bread and crackers.
Ah,
Very nice.
cool.
Yes, like a guava jam. You see a guava jam stay in a supermarket?
Yes, yes.
That's how it's gonna look.
All right. So for the benefit of our viewers, tell us, what does it taste like when you do? What does cashew
when
taste
we
like?
do-
The juice, yes.
The juice is nice.
Or the
Well,
jam,
For me, it have a little stain.
Uh-huh.
The juice has a little stain. That's why they put like maybe a little rum or wine to kill the stain. But if you are following the benefit of it, you don't mind the little stain.
Guys, we're going to talk about the health benefits of cashew shortly.
Right.
So stay tuned for that. But also, so that's how you prepare it, Miss Isaiah?
Yes.
Okay. Tell us about the nut now.
The nut now. The other day somebody was saying that they use it to make cashew cheese, but I don't know about that one. I don't know about that one, but we just roast it and have it like that. Roast it, take it out of the trash, like this hard trash, and eat it.
And guys, we're gonna see Miss Isaiah live in action roasting cashew. Stay tuned for that too. All right. So I learned though that the cashew here has a chemical in there.
Yes, that
is a little bit toxic.
Your finger, yes.
Tell us about that.
Well, what I do when we are roasting them, I put on maybe gloves or plastic bag to strip it, because if you strip them, I strip a lot, they're gonna strip the skin, they stay in your finger like, and then in a few days, my finger, the skin, the stop layer now would have strip off.
And God help you to put it in on your mouth like that too, right?
Yes. But you know, I see some young people now, they cut it into like this, take it out and they strip it and eat it.
You mean raw?
Yeah. And say healthy, but I didn't try it. Because I don't want the chemical that is on that part to touch anywhere here.
Because it's gonna burn and give you the bumps and I was told. Like an allergic reaction.
Of course. So I didn't try it, but I see persons do.
So when does it burn a lot? When it is dry or green?
When it's dry.
When it is dry. So it is dry now.
Yes, but it's still in there, an oily thing.
Okay.
It's in here.
Okay.
Yeah.
So until it is roasted.
You're gonna it's roasted, you know, you still have a little of it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, a little of it is still.
Okay.
And the trash itself. Even when you're roasting them, you're gonna see how that thing catch up the fire and the fry.
And it
that oil.
Yes, I'm asking you because you're the expert, but we're not very naive to cashew, because I grew up with a little bit of that. We used to get cashew, one of my, I'm not gonna say my favorite fruit, but it's something that I love.
Right.
For me, it's almost like a little delicacy. But we're always weary of that burn there, because it burn you like hot chocolate.
Even when you're roasting and it prop.
Yeah.
And anywhere that look a prop the thing, it would leave like water bumps here. You know, like oil in the pot and it prop on your hand. That's how the fat would prop anywhere it touch you. Guys,
I know some of you right now watching and you know about that. So tell us, you share your experience with us right now in the comments with cashew. So anyway, I was gonna say that we used to use it as well when we playing marble.
Yes.
Marble.
Yeah,
you know that? You know about
man, marble and cashew, you put a couple of these in the ring and use the marble to lick them out.
You used to do that too?
Yes.
Okay.
My brothers do this, they used to.
But we don't see that anymore, huh?
No, too much tablet and all of that. Take away those.
Alright, so what about, so this one, we go back to this one. So these are three beautiful ones here.
Yeah. Those are very much in plastic there now, you know, but not like that. You have to open it or hit it.
So these not quite ready yet?
No.
Okay.
But this part would have to get big.
Yeah.
Those are very
It has to be what?
bigger. Big like this are bigger.
So this part here,
Right, that's the part that grows.
gonna get bigger and yellow when it's ready to pick.
Right, either yellow or pink.
Yellow or pink.
Well, you know, this one would be yellow.
But these here look nice and round and healthy.
The nuts grow faster, so the nuts are almost there, but the fruit part now would have to get bigger for it to be ready.
Okay, cool. And this is the leaf, guys. It grows like a I would say almond tree.
Tree almost, right?
Almost, not as tall, but it's usually very wide.
Some of them can be very tall. The reason why this may be not so tall, a lot of trees, so it keep pushing it back.
Okay.
But they can be very tall. They have tall ones out there.
And let's say I'm interested in growing cashew. Maybe not commercially, but have a cashew plant, a tree in the backyard. How do I get it?
It's easy to get.
How do I plant it?
It's simple because it drop right here now and it can grow. This can drop and grow. As simple as it is.
Which part would grow?
It's grow from here, right here, it's gonna burst open under here. And then it send out the little plants. So it grow easily.
Okay. Cool. Alright, so that's cashew. We're not done yet, guys. There are more cashew on here. I'm gonna show you some more. But you mentioned also that there is you have different colors, cashew?
Yeah, you have red meat. And that one wouldn't red, that have a pinkish look.
Alright, let's go to that one and take a look at that one. So this is a yellow one. I see one that looks like, 1 second, Miss Isaiah. So this one looks like it's not so good, huh?
No, those are spoiled.
Spoiled. So not even, come on, hold this for me, Miss Isaiah.
Yeah, those not good.
Hold it here for me. All right, so these, so the fruit is not, the fruit shrink, but what about this? Wouldn't this be good?
Those not looking good either. Maybe both of them are not good, and some of the times those parts are good.
All right, well I'm gonna pick it. Let's see. We're gonna bring it. We're gonna bring it to the over where we're gonna roast it, guys.
Right,
I'm gonna
see.
and I'm gonna prove to Miss Isaiah that these are good.
Maybe. let me shake one of them.
You hear
Can
it?
I almost say not good?
It's not good.
And it feel light.
I'm not sure. I keep it for
It feel light.
souvenir.
They have we call them jaggy.
Jiggy. Okay. There's a nice, see a nice one here though. See a nice one here, Miss Isaiah.
Yes,
This one ready,
okay.
right?
That is okay.
We can pick this one too.
Yeah.
Pick
Yeah,
it, man.
sure.
Are you want Tania to pick it?
Oh, which one? The fruit?
Yeah.
fruit.
So
Everything.
the fruit can be eaten on the spot.
Yes, that can be eaten.
All
But
right.
the thing about this, why it look a little bit green. This
You
can
see.
still be roasted.
Yeah, that
As,
can still be
as long as
roasted.
the fruit here is ripe. All right, so
Can be roasted.
let me see the expert.
But the ripe part is the sweeter.
Let's see, man. But that one is ripe, huh?
Greenish, right?
In fact, it's riper than that one.
Right.
All right, so
it
let's.
might have a little more stain.
Tania is a fruit expert. She knows about fruit. so she's gonna taste
No,
now.
what bit of a little
She's gonna taste now and tell us what it tastes like, guys.
All right.
So let's say, so I'm an American. I know nothing about Jamaican food.
It's a little bit tangy. It has
We call
a
it stainy.
tangy, stainy taste. So when you taste it, it's it give you that stainy feel
Yeah.
inside of your mouth.
Is there a particular American fruit that you could relate it to? Can't find
American
one.
fruit.
Yeah. You might have to put in a call now. All right.
The thing like I would say stain is like some guineps. Or a local
Guinness.
guineps.
Okay.
Sometimes I don't like the taste of some of them. Some of them is stainy. Right.
Okay. All right. So that's it. That's that. Which one are you gonna show us? The purple one?
That one there.
What is it again? Purple?
No, I think it's
Blue? Pinkish? Okay. All right.
So guys, look at this. This is called it's stinking toe, right?
No man, I'm thinking too. Come on, Tania, you're Jamaican. You're Jamaican.
So this is a thinking toe. Maybe Miss can share some information on the thinking toe. Right? This can be eaten as well.
You just use a stone or anything heavy, bust it, and you'll open it and eat it.
And actually, I'm doing an entire series on Jamaican fruit. So we're gonna come back for this one.
Okay.
Yes, we're gonna come back. So stay tuned for that.
Toe.
Stay tuned for that. That's a stinking toe. All right. So the pinkish one you said no.
Yeah,
So
right
let's
there.
come on, little. So Miss Isaiah, this is the pink one.
Yes.
All right, guys, look up. It's a little high, but that's the pink one. That's the pink one.
You have some of the color, but it's not that one.
That's it. That's the pink one. And we're gonna try and see if we can.
But the stick don't have anything there.
No man, you just touch him and him drop.
Oh, touch him and him drop.
They're easy to pick.
Oh, okay, cool.
Right.
All right, you're right. All right. Picking cashew, guys.
My
Careful.
God.
Don't get too
I hurt
excited.
myself.
All right, so this is the pink one. This is looking nice. All right, hold on.
Those are sweet cashew.
These are sweet cashew. Look cute too. Is there any noticeable difference, whether it's in taste or apart from the look, which is this is pink, a little more pink? Is there any noticeable difference in between the two? The pink. This is the first one.
Right, that's the yellow meat.
The yellow meat,
Right.
and this is the pink meat.
Right.
Is there anything apart from the color?
Not really. I guess the taste is the same.
The taste is okay.
Right. I think the taste is
And the juice
same.
taste is
The
juice.
same thing.
Juice taste is
All right,
same.
let me
You don't
try
have a
this
difference.
Okay.
But
All right.
sometimes you get them a little sweeter.
Okay.
Right.
All right.
Okay, so this one is not that stainy.
Because
Oh.
that right. Yeah.
You wrap up.
Oh, so it don't give you that stainy feel in your mouth.
Okay.
Yeah, this is sweeter.
Okay.
This is way sweeter.
Alright.
Than
Alright.
this
I
one.
think I like the pink one too.
Yes.
I'm gonna discriminate. I like which one you like? Which one? I get to feel you prefer the pink one to me. That's why you were telling me about the pink one down the road.
Yes.
Alright, I'm gonna eat it, guys. So let me show.
Brighter color, we call them red.
Eat, man.
Redder than those.
There's something about fruits that have richer color. If I'm not a fruit expert, but I know that they always mention that the darker or the richer or the brighter the fruit, the more nutritious. So if anybody, any of you guys watching and know about that stuff, tell us too. We want to learn. Anyway, I'm gonna hold this. I'm gonna break this. Sesame good. Sesame good.
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna break this, and we don't wash it. We just eat it same way. Right? Not none do it. All right. That's how we eat it from we are little boy and we're not dead yet, right? Closer to nature. All right, guys. So this is it. One more thing I need to mention. Actually, before I learned that, unlike most other fruit, because a fruit really usually has a seed in it. Right. That's my understanding of a fruit. There's a fruit in the outer part and there's a seed inside it. No, the difference with the cashew is that the fruit is peripheral to this. Alright? So or auxiliary they call it. So it has two fruits. This is the fruit. But inside here, inside here is a nut or the seed, but it also has another fruit, which is this. So I think they call it auxiliary fruit. So learning for you. I bet you didn't know that. Tell me, drop it in the comment.
Yeah.
Alright, so this is how we do it anyway. We're gonna break it out, turn it around, and there's juice dropping on my hands, right? Juice dropping on my hands. And I'm gonna devour this thing here now. It's a little soft. If you squeeze it, it don't burst as much because the outer layer is a little, it's thin but it's stiff. So it's more likely to, it's more likely to squeeze and to burst. But I'm gonna use my teeth.
Juicy.
This one good.
Explain the taste?
Why I don't know. I don't know, but it's sweet, guys. It's sweet and it's good for you.
Yes.
I'm going to talk about the health benefits. We're going to talk about it right now. Oh, the health benefits of cashew. Now, the benefits here are many and varied, and so in the interest of time, I'll just highlight the major benefits. But for the details on each, as well as its history, uses, and even some drawbacks of eating too much cashew, please check the description of this video. All right. So nutrition. Cashews are a great source of protein and minerals. Cashew has essential fatty acids. Cashew has vitamin C, B, E, vitamin K. In terms of minerals, it has calcium, phosphorus, copper, potassium, magnesium, zinc, and folate. Antioxidants, fibers, and of course proteins and carbs. Now, what does that mean for you and I? Well, it may prevent cardiovascular diseases, may help lower blood pressure, may prevent and control diabetes. It's an immunity booster. It helps to strengthen our bones. Great for brain. It helps to boost our brain functions. It may even help to control weight, they say, and generally good for your health. Of course, there's some benefit for hair as well. With the copper, which is present in cashew, helps produce hair pigment melanin that enhances hair color. All right, and the essential fatty acids also help to keep hair shiny and healthy. Good for eye health. May increase male fertility as well, and can prevent blood-related disorders. A whole bunch more, but again, I'm going to ask you to check the description for the details on these and more. All right, I'll also share some popular Q&A about cashews with you a little later. All right, so stay tuned.
Juicy and nice.
Because it will ripe.
This one is not staining.
Right?
It's tangy though. It have this tangy taste, but not fully staining. Love this one, guys.
All right.
Oh, the one here green.
Oh, it's on the inside. It's on the inside. Over here, man. Over here. Over here. See this one. Up.
Up here?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Why this one not dropping? Yeah, man, him ripe till him soft. Feel him.
Alright, you want to taste it?
Soft and nice.
Alright. This one is a nice fat one.
The other
These
two?
are these are the ones, guys, when we're playing marble, we want to get this one, you know, this kind here. This kind here, man, is the real deal. Alright, and we're gonna give this one to Fen. We're gonna give this one to Fen. Hold on. Oh, you find the phone nest?
Where?
You find the phone nest? Yes, sir. Under the cashew tree, we have a year. Yeah, years and see this. See there? See it there? See? Under the cashew tree. All right. One egg. Yes, man. One egg. See the phone nest, guys. See the phone nest there. All right, so guys. So clearly, this is a wait, a full farm because we spot an egg down there. And look at this. Look at this. Alright, we're not gonna trouble him or her and leave him, but I wanted to show you that. That's a fowl here in the back of on the bushes. The back of the house. Yes. Yeah. Alright. Yeah. So we have a side discussion here, guys, and we have to capture that. Tania has a question.
Alright,
for
so
me.
what I wanted to find out, why is it that the bees, they're eating the cashew fruit on the ground?
It's the juice they want from it, not really the fruit itself. The water, you don't call it the juice?
Yes.
Right.
Okay.
Now remember, bees, anywhere water is, bees will be going there. So the cashew juice now, anywhere the cashew they under the tree.
Yes. They
They are
will eat
there.
it.
Because it's sweet.
Yes,
Okay.
maybe naturally not sweet, but just the liquid, the water from
Okay.
it.
Oh my God! No, look over your head! Look over your head!
I may scream.
Move from this, huh? Move. You sure like you're going to jump? Guys, we didn't expect this. Look at that. That's a green lizard. Alright, not to scare you, but that's a green lizard. We're afraid of them here. This one came right in the camera, came into the show. So let me show him to you. That's him. That's him. That's him.
It's a bird nest.
Bird nest. Well, we have all kind of little surprises here. Anyway, guys, this is just part 1. Part 2, we're gonna go now back to base, and we're gonna show you how we roast. We're gonna show you how we roast the cashew. Stay tuned. Oh. Oh, it's a nice one. Hold on. That's enough. What's your name again, my brother?
For me?
Yeah. Chad. Yeah. All right, guys. We just find a prize one. Look at this.
That's a nice one.
This is a prize. Yeah, nice one. That's the prize one. There it is, guys. There it is. All right, you pick it.
Yep.
Nice. Hold it in your hand for everybody to see. This is the best of the lot, guys. This is a big one. Yeah, man, and this is a nice one. All right, so this is the fruit. We're gonna go back to base and we're gonna show you how we roast this thing here for you to get the cashew that you know, the one that you get in the supermarket. So this is the fruit, and this is the seed. This is the nut. The nut is inside here actually. So back to base, and we're gonna show you how we roast it. Stay tuned.
We roast expensive fruit.
Yeah. All right, guys. So we're back at base. This is base. This is the potter. Remember again, it's Miss Isaiah. All right. She's the one who is doing our little cashew tour. But I can't help but noticing a whole heap of mangoes. Under the tree right here at their work area. And these are good mango. This is not no stringy. This is not Julie. This is black mango,
Fine.
green gauge, fine skin. Good mango. I know we're like too.
Yes.
A nice mango, man, but why don't have too much? Them have too much, so them not pay it no mind. Look at that, guys. Look at this. Look at this. Too much to manage, so them just leave them.
Yeah.
What? Wow. Anyway, we're not here for mangoes. We're here for the cashew. So we're gonna bring it right to the little roasting. All right, guys. So we're at the fireside. We are at the fireside, and that's the fire. And this is the roast pan. This is the roast pan, and you say you
have to punch some holes.
You have to punch some holes so that so what?
Let the fire come.
Okay.
Otherwise, the fat from the cashew gonna melt and pack up here.
Okay.
So you want it to come faster now. You
put the holes.
You put the holes.
All right. So that's a little kind of grill.
Right.
All right. All right. So guys, we're gonna roast cashew. All right. That's cashew. Right now, that's probably about what? 3 dozen. 3 to 4 dozen.
Maybe 3 or so.
Yeah, man. Good. All right. Stay tuned, guys. We're gonna eat cashew shortly. Watch it. So what you see with this one now, miss?
The ashes and that blazing. And you don't want them to burn. But you're gonna throw this to out the flame and take it off.
Okay. All right.
Because if some of the time if you make them blaze out too much, they burn. Right. Like those that we picked today, you wouldn't put them in those.
Why not?
Because them gonna harder to roast. Take a little longer time.
Oh,
to roast.
because them kind of
more
green.
Dry, right?
Oh,
those kind of greenish.
Oh, so you actually dry it first. Or I put it down first.
Pick them and put them down. But normally, who have a lot, like who persons who selling them, they put them, they sun them. Put them in a sun maybe 3 days or 4 days to dry out.
Oh, so there's a method to it.
Yes, because they will rot.
Oh, so pick it. So you pick it when the fruit is ripe.
Right, and the seed look dry as well.
And the seed look dry.
Yeah, but
and then
you're gonna put it to sun again.
Put it in the sun. Literally, I just put it in a room temperature.
Right.
In the sun.
In the sun, man.
Literal sun.
Literally sun to dry them some more. And maybe persons would be keeping them even for next year then. Why they put it in the sun. But if you just pick them, put them down, they might rot.
Oh,
easily.
Okay.
So you want to make sure them dry. Because the fruit can be very ripe and the seed still greenish.
Okay. All right. How long does it take to I know that I noticed it turned it's turning the color changing of it.
Yes.
It's burning now, but
and it's watery.
Right.
That's a poison?
The fat. It's not poison. I don't think it's poison.
You were telling me about something on the inside.
Yes, that's the fat then.
Okay.
Yes.
but it is
But it burns your skin.
Yeah.
Oh, so that means that cashew can make oil.
I'm wondering. Perhaps
Because if it's the fat.
Yes, I'm pretty sure.
Yes.
I'm pretty sure. And it started to smell, guys. It started to smell the cashew flavor.
Yes.
So, in fact, if you know anything about cashew,
Oh, so it's out.
yeah. So some liquid there coming out.
Right.
Yeah.
And
So
that one can burn a real.
yeah, that would burn you, and so you have to be careful. All right. So you notice that myself, I have a long stick. There's probably a reason for that, guys.
I don't want to get near it.
Yeah, but we want to find out from you too, for those of you who are familiar with Aki online. Tell us, you know anything about the
Cashew.
what you call it again?
Cashew.
Cashew cashew oil.
Right.
Is there anything as cashew oil? In fact, I'm gonna check on that. Too. All right. So you hold on. This is getting interesting. So there's smoke, but the smoke is coming from the cashew now.
Yes.
It's not the wood.
No. See this?
Right.
Woo!
Alright, so don't try this at home. if you're gonna do this, you need experience. Oh, so that's where now. Oh man, so that's oil actually.
Right.
Alright, Tania's running, guys. You need to throw it. Is it now you put the thing on the mid?
Yeah, them can't wait till this one.
Oh, so you expect this to happen?
Yes, man.
I didn't know that, man. It's a serious fire. Oh, because it's literal oil, you know.
Yes, oil.
So it's flammable.
So you
The
can
guys,
make cashew oil.
the guys, be careful. Cashew oil is flammable. All right, so she's running for the
Ashes.
the ashes. Ah, you should take some picture, right? This is how we roast cashew in Jamaica.
You know, like those persons who do cashew in a tin or something, you know they're roasting, but I feel kind of roasting.
This is for roasting.
Yes, this is our roasting.
This is a dangerous kind of roasting, it looks like.
Those persons who produce cashew, they have other ways. I guess that.
Okay, but this is how we do it. This is how you know how to do it
Yes.
at a local, normal, average man
Yes.
level. Right now?
I know somebody else in my area that does it, and
Oh.
so then do it and use
Oh.
gloves.
So interesting that you had the
ashes,
the ashes
from the
ready
wood.
before.
Right.
So what if somebody watching no one want to try but they don't have no ashes? Right. The
Well,
first they're gonna do it.
Maybe you can use dirt,
Oh, okay,
but you
okay.
have to have something. But
Something
yes,
to-
So out the fire.
Yeah.
Yes, because I know somebody in the same area that where I was coming from there.
Yeah.
And they do it for selling, marketing just the same way. And they would come and ask for ashes. Anywhere they get the ashes, they would ashes.
Oh,
Right.
okay,
And this
okay.
will help to even suck up the oil
Okay,
as well.
okay, okay. That makes sense. That makes sense.
Right.
All right. So, almost ready.
Yes, that is almost already.
So we have to make it cool though. We can't. We are ever dare if we go try it.
Let me try one.
Okay.
Alright. So
Anyway.
how long now you wait until this is ready?
You can't mash no, man.
Okay. So about
As long
5
as you have
minutes.
things that can hold it.
All right. So hold on, Mister. Okay. So is there a special way you do this
Yeah, I
one?
guess.
Yeah.
I do it my way. I saw other persons would turn it around like this and do it from this side.
Okay.
Whoa.
So it's a tedious process, man.
Right?
All
So
right. So,
this is what now you're gonna take off.
Oh, it's still hot.
so
Yes,
Tania-
inside. You can't do that this way.
All right. Hold on. Hand, sister. Let me take a picture.
So how you know when this is ready to eat?
That
Hold
is
it,
ready now.
hold it.
That's the cashew seed itself. That's the nuts. That's already.
I brought
Okay.
the seed.
Okay, that's fine. All right. So Tania having the first taste. See the taster today. See the expert food taster. So yes.
It tastes like the original cashew, not like the one that you would taste into the store.
Yeah.
Right.
But this would be the
original.
original taste, you know?
Yes, yes, definitely.
yes.
Because even you buy fruits and nuts, those cashew don't taste
We see.
like this.
Yeah.
I guess those have to
Dry.
preserve it.
Right.
Have to put stuff to
so
preserve
them
it.
don't taste this.
This is
taste.
the real deal.
Yes.
All right.
What we does now when we do this, like if you are doing a lot for overseas, we do them like this. We put them in something maybe like a waiter or something to keep them out, and then you sun them. You
Oh.
give them some little sun
more
again.
sun?
Yes.
Okay.
And they get harder, so they can preserve up to a couple months well.
Okay.
Yes, you put
And then
them in the sun to dry them a bit. And after you dry them, you send them
Okay.
overseas or
Package it and-
anywhere. Yes, they keep
Alright.
longer.
Cashew, guys. Cashew. Cashew. Original. That's how we do it. That's how we do it
Right.
in Jamaica. All right. And cashew, Tania having a feast on the other side here. You know hot again, Tania?
It's
It's
hot,
warm,
but
you know,
you
but
get
not-
used to it.
Okay. Okay. But it roasts.
Yes, it's
Yeah, 'cause
roasting.
All the oil and stuff. Alright. Cool.
If you are mashing a lot now, you still get that strip, you know. So you strip your finger. So normally I would put my hand like in a plastic bag when I'm doing
When you're
a certain
stripping them.
amount, right? Or otherwise I wear gloves, right? That you don't get your fingers stripped, because you normally would strip some of my fingers.
Is it like Clyde if you eat too much, we call it?
They have one something they do. What is this called? They used to beat it in mortar. I don't remember.
Asham?
No, or something. But me not like it, so I just love to roast it and eat it like this.
But-
And it never cried me.
Okay. You never you eat as much as you never
Not
have.
eat as much.
All right, which bring us to the next point, guys. We have some questions, some popular questions that we're gonna answer about. We did our little research and we're gonna answer some questions for you about cashew. Let me ask Miss Isaiah again one more question before we allow her to run off and go back to her pottery business. Is how long can you store it? I think you mentioned it, hinted at it earlier, but I just wanna.
When you do it like this,
Yeah, how long can it be
roast
stored? Yeah.
You can store for long. You can store maybe 6 months or maybe longer.
Okay.
Well, maybe those in the package have preservative. But what we do, we roast it and then we put it in something, put it in sun maybe 2 days.
Oh, it's okay.
Yes, bag it up and you send it overseas.
Uh-huh.
And they have it quite a while.
Okay.
Never hear that it's spoiled.
Okay. So these are the popular questions we get, and I wanted to share them with you along with the answers. The first one is, are cashews anti-aging? The answer is yes. They are small, but just like almonds, walnuts, pecans, and pistachios, cashews have big anti-aging powers. They contain special nutrients that can help delay or even prevent age-related heart disease, stroke, type 2 diabetes, nerves disease, and some types of cancers. Alright? Now you know. Does cashew help your skin? Yes. Again, cashew is rich in copper and vitamin C, and both are essential for healthy and supple skin. It also helps maintain the levels of collagen and elastin in the skin, thus helping it stay useful for a long time. Vitamin C further helps retain the suppleness and elasticity of the skin and imparts radiance to it. Alright? The next question, does cashew increase testosterone? The answer again is yes. Testosterone levels can be increased by consuming selenium-rich foods like cashew. Studies have shown its effectiveness in boosting testosterone levels, resulting in prostate cancer prevention. Alright? Who should not eat cashew? Well, I figured somebody was going to ask that. Those having nut allergies or high blood pressure should strictly stay away from cashew. If you have an allergy, then you will feel uneasy after eating cashew, they say. Cashews can lead to constipation, either when you overeat cashew or when you have an allergic reaction to them. When is the best time to eat cashew nuts? Well, they say it's the morning. The morning time is best for eating cashews. And how many cashews can I eat a day? Nutritionists suggest limiting cashew kernels consumption to up to 5 to 10 per day to avoid weight gain. But you can eat up to 15 to 30 for primary source of fat and secondary source of protein. Alright? How many cashews are too many? Well, they say try not to consume more than an ounce of medium-sized cashew a day to reap the health benefits. A single serving of cashews contains about 18 nuts. Alright, I hope that answers your question on cashew, but I want to hear from you still. Go ahead and any other question you have, go ahead and drop it in the comment, and we promise to get back to you. One more.
How it tastes to you though?
Nice. I just said just like the real cashew. Good old, remind me of the good old days when we used to play marble, and we put the cashew and we win it, and we're gonna have a feast after, guys. Yes man. So these are memories. Come on, guys. For those of you who used to have the cashew, tell us about the experience and what you used to do and how you used to do it. We'd love to hear from you. Drop it in the comments. So we're enjoying ourselves here and reliving some good moments. Old time
life.
So Miss
You want to take more?
No man, that's fine. Oh, Miss Isaiah, I want to thank you. Thank you for sharing your time and your knowledge. You were busy making the pots, and I know it's a sacrifice to move from your pottery business, because you guys hands are, ladies and gentlemen hands are busy.
Definitely.
To come and share your knowledge about cashew. Help us to reminisce some of the good old days. So thank you very much on behalf of My-Island-Jamaica and Chat Jamaica with Tania. Right? We say big up. Thank you. And guys, this is what's the name of the pottery business again? Isaiah Unique Clay Pot. Right? Link in the description as well. Both description, right? Isaiah Unique. Check her out, man. There's an interesting video we have on her and her husband about pottery making. This is the whole pottery firehouse. Right? That's where they bake the pots in. That's an interesting video. Please go ahead and check it out now. Thank you, Miss Isaiah. That's it, guys. The Cashew Farm Tour with Miss Isaiah here and Tania from Chat Jamaica. Wonderful. I would love to hear from you. What jumped out at you? What did you learn? Drop it in the comments below. And remember, if you're here for the first time, I have some videos that you're gonna definitely enjoy. So check out my channel. There's more like this. See you on the other side. Thank you.